I'm so used to getting like brand spanking new students that know nothing about a car, right?
Yeah,
So.
I'm already kind of used to it.
Yeah.
A little bit.
So I might say stuff that you already know. I mean, that's, you know. You want your seat warmer on or?
No, that's okay.
You good?
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm gonna put mine on.
I have one question.
Mm-hmm.
For the mirrors, how do we have to adjust it? Because usually my dad just adjusts it and I use it.
And then you just, yeah. Yeah, technically, so what you want to do is you want to see directly straight behind you.
Mm-hmm.
And you want to see the back door handle. Just like so you see alongside the car a little bit.
Okay.
The idea is to be able to see, what, is she not able to get it? She's stuck.
Sorry,
You can't get around?
That ice is so crunchy.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not going to
Okay.
be able to get over that.
We'll get
I'll
around.
back up.
Okay. Guess we're leaving.
Alrighty.
Lost my train of thought here.
I don't like ice. I've never drove with ice before.
Oh, yeah, that's right. From Brazil, you wouldn't have that ice there, would
We
you?
don't get snow at all. Do you want to?
Yeah, let's just go around here just so we can finish getting you adjusted here before we leave. That's all normal. This is all very normal. Yeah, I get a lot of students from different countries too, so I forget sometimes. You don't have ice.
No, not at all. It's very, very warm.
Here, let's just stay right here.
Okay.
Just to get your mirrors adjusted here. So, yeah, go ahead. And you go, engage parking brake.
Okay.
So, and then, yeah, so you just want to adjust them so you see directly straight behind you and alongside
Okay, so
the car a
it
little bit.
should be the bigger one, right?
Yeah, the big one, yeah. So the small one there, that's just to reduce your blind spot a little bit. Just kind of ignore that one. See the back door handle, maybe somewhere like around here, this area right here.
Yep.
Okay.
Right there. It's like down here.
That should be good. From where I'm sitting, that looks right too. So, and then this one here, the same thing.
The back door.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's it.
Okay. And then this one here is good.
Let's see.
Good.
I think so. Yes. I can see pretty much everything.
Once we get on the road, you'll find out.
Yeah. This one's really nice.
Awesome. Now we're gonna go for a little trip. I'll take you on that route.
Alright.
Actually, we'll start over. We'll start at the road test center. So we'll go
Okay.
out to the lights here. We'll make a left.